What up, ladies? Look at them on my stairs going into the house. See how that worked? Waiting for Papa Wags. See how that worked? Surrounded by chicks. Look at this garbage. See how that worked? They're in because it's raining outside, so they came inside to be with Papa Wags. See how they do? The Wags Chicago, you know it. There's my two older ones right here. They're always watching my back. See how that worked? And then the little babies, they're out here getting wet because they're still retarded. So their moms are with them, but the babies don't care about getting wet. Look at this garbage. Let me show you my potatoes. Check this out. These potatoes are growing like an MFer. Look at this. Check it out. Look at this garbage. It's like you're in the woods. Look at this. Remember a couple of weeks ago? They were still in the flower pots. See how that worked? You can't even see the bags no more. Remember I said use an Aldi bag? There's an Aldi bag. There it is right there. See how that worked? You can grow potatoes year round if you want. Look at how beautiful this garbage is. Like you're in the freaking woods. Cause the woods are right here. See that right? By the way, is anybody noticing their leaves that are facing in the morning sun that comes from the northeast? Let's say northeast. See those leaves are burning? The ones that aren't facing the sun that way aren't getting it. So this morning direct sun is really crushing these leaves. Look at this garbage. Only this patch. This is that side, unless it's a disease I don't know about. But the other side doesn't have that disease. See how that works? Watch. Huh. The non-sunlight all day side, no problem. See how that works? Watch this, like magic. Whoop. When I tell you the solar shields are down, because of CERN, by the way, that's no joke. You're getting this radiation in your body, by the way. There's a crack in the atmosphere. How'd that happen? Go look it up. See how that works?